All right, what's up, YouTube? We are back here. So I had a little issue the other day. I was taking my bike out of the garage, and there's a little slope right there. And whenever I got off to hit the button to close the garage, I ended up dropping the bike. I'm laughing about it now, but I was really mad in the moment. So here's the damage that was done to it. Literally slid down the road a little bit. So our little beautiful brand new bike, it's not so brand new, but it's also a little scrape right there. Also in the bar ends. Sucks that it happened, but I'm past it now. I mean, I was extremely mad. Also, this mirror just snapped off. We're gonna take care of that problem. I was gonna delete the mirrors anyway. I just wasn't planning on doing it yet, but I guess I'll go ahead and do it. So I got mirror block off plates to put on there. And then also we bought a Puig Windscreen. So we're gonna be installing that as well. So you're gonna need an Allen key and 532, whatever that means. But I got it from this little hole right here, and that one seems to fit perfectly in these little sockets. So you gotta take all those off, and then take these off too for the mirrors, and then replace everything back. So that's what we're gonna do. See how tight this mirror one is. You gotta forgive me. I don't have a cameraman. Oh, that's not that tight at all. Came right off. All right, let's try this again. Let's open these up if I can. Ugh, yeah. Oh, too far. There we go. And then let's take this one off. This one's a little bit tighter. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got those off. 2 screws. Came out of there. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna wipe that down, and then I'm gonna take off the other one. All right, so we got the screws off. Mirrors over there. Now we just gotta take off this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and that screw. All right, so we got those screws out. Kind of line them all up there. That way I can put the same one back in the same hole. But it seems like it's pretty loose. Just kind of wiggle it. It comes right out. Now these little, I don't know what to call them. It's like rubber things. Those are gonna need to go into the new Puig windscreen. There we go. A lot more curvature, so that way the wind will actually go over your head when you're when you're riding, instead of smacking you in the head. Okay, so with this, I just kind of pushed it in, so it was like this at first. It just dropped in there, and I just kind of pushed it in with my fingers, and it went right in. So now we got both of those in there. We're just gonna try and put this back up in here slowly. All right, so we just slid it back in there. It's easy if you just, put it in the same way you took it out. Just kind of put both of the tabs behind the plastics and then just slide it back down. But already looking pretty good. Now we just gotta put these screws back in, kind of just line up the holes, and then put those screws right back in there. All right, so I got these 4 on there. Just gotta do the 2 black ones at the bottom here. All right, we got all the bolts in. I'm about to tighten them down. All right, now we got those on there. All looking good. Now we're gonna put these mirror block off plates that I bought off Amazon. And you're just gonna put them there. And then put the screws through those. All right, guys, there we have it. Put those block off plates on there. I would say it looks really good to me. I fuck with it. Take this sticker off. Thought it was 1 big sticker. It's 2. And take off this side one here. There we go. And then everybody knows you keep that one on there. Yes, sir. You guys tell me what you think of this in the comments. Oh, and just so You know, a lot of people gonna be like, oh, why would you get a blacked out one? You ain't gonna be able to see, you know. Check this out. You can see pretty good, yo. It's clear. Awesome, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video, though. There's gonna be many more little short videos like this to come. Gonna get rid of these levers, of course. Probably do some more bar ends. Definitely get rid of this fender. Get the integrated tail light there, so stay tuned for all of that. But yeah.